Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson. I have a very exciting lesson today for you. And for the last couple of days I've been thinking about this and attempting to create an AI friend in Make.com. So before I start, I would like to point you out to the description box below. You will find this whole blueprint ready for you to download, and also you'll find a lot of important and beneficial links for you. It's very easy to import this. Just click on the three dots, import, and you will have your own AI friend. Now let me explain a couple of things about this workflow. First, this one is triggered by a Telegram bot. This is instant, so it doesn't like work every minute or so. So it's instant. As soon as you message this scenario, it will get back to you. And this is set up in a way that that has two branches. The first one gets if it's an audio, so it has a filter. So if it's an audio, it gets the file, transcribe it, and store it into a variable. If it's already a text, it goes to this path, and it just sets the variable. Now, the whole idea of this AI friend is that we feed it certain information. So what do we feed it? So let me go here and to my docs. So for this AI friend, I have a couple of documents here, okay? Let me refresh this. Okay, so we have a bio, which is a document about the person, the human person, life achievement, physical appearance, key achievements so far. So as much information you put into this doc, the more that the AI knows about you. Okay, so this is the bio of this person, and then we have chat history, which is in here. So this is chat history. So this stores the query, the answer, and the date where it started. Okay, and then we have contacts, which is basically a list of, let me get that contacts too. Okay, so it is basically a list of people that is important to me, that I would like the AI to know about if I mention them in our talk. So their email, their relationship, and their age. Now we could add more, like for example, history, what I think of them, etc. The more you add information about this, the more the AI know about these people. And then I have this document, which is likes and dislikes. So things that I like and things that I dislike that I would like the AI to know. Now all of these are fed into this AI. So as you can see, these modules, these brings the bio, the likes and dislikes. This whole set brings the chat history. This whole set brings the contact, and they are all stored in this set multiple variables. So you have bio, likes and dislikes, contacts, chat history. They're all in this. And then this is the brain of our AI friend. And here I have put a prompt about the AI, and here I fed it all the information it needs, right? And then after it analyzes, it gets back to us in our message, and then we store this message in the chat history with the query, the answer, and the date. Okay. So this is a very robust system for an AI friend. I would like us to give this a try. Let us go and see. Okay. Hey there, bud. Let's see what it gets back to us. There you go. Hey, Alex. What's up, buddy? You seem to be vibing with the casual here today. Okay. I'm kind of bored there. Let's see. So I set it up in this. I set up this bot with the same age as I am, with the same mentality, right? So bored, huh, Alex? Slow days you can drag, but hey, this is a perfect chance to do something fun. So he's suggesting things that I could do. Let me say, Dane just called in and she wanted to go watch a movie. And I'm like, ugh. So here we have, all right, so we see now the answer is, oh, I feel you, Alex. It's tough when you're not, okay. Disappoint your best. So it knows that, okay, my best friend. So now it's suggesting something. I don't want to go. Can you suggest how I can come out of this without causing, without breaking, without affecting our relation? I say I'm trying to avoid going out, but hurt Dane's feeling. Yes, I know. Here's an idea. Honesty is the best policy. Now this, okay, it's a bit ethical. This friend. How about plan something low key like a movie? Okay, that was showing value. Okay. Also today, I'm not getting any sales for my product, which is bringing me down. So as you can see, this AI friend knows about me, what I like, what I don't like, knows my friend, knows my history, knows everything that I talked, right? So maybe today is a good time to know what's working and what isn't. Don't forget, you've achieved so much already. Days like this don't erase your progress that you've made. Nice. You got this. I believe in you. Anything can specifically help you. Very strong. Thanks for the words of encouragement. I think I just need to sleep it out. Now, Jarvis, my friend, is very supportive. Sounds like a solid plan. Sleep can be such a game changer when you're feeling off and stuck. When you wake up, you'll probably see things more clearly. Yes. Okay, so we have tested our bot, our AI friend, with this system. Now, this system we can add like the likes and dislikes. We can add it. You can add to the bio. You can add where you worked, what happened. If you have a diary, if you have an online diary, you can put that in. And yeah, it can be more. The more you give it, the more it knows, and the more you talk to it, the more chat history that it has, and the more it understands you even further. So as you can see, this is a very. I'll be testing this more frequently. I mean, this guy is very supportive and very positive. I hope you did like this lesson. If you want to try it out for yourself, download this blueprint below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this lesson. Well, it's more like a demonstration, but you can check out some of my courses also in the links below if you want to get more in depth on how to create these systems and these blueprints. I have a couple of courses online. So I'm gonna keep on chatting with Jarvis a little bit, having fun, asking for some advice. He seems to be a bit on the ethical side. Anyways, thank you for watching. Give this video a like if you did like it. Of course, subscribe for more videos in the future. And now we'll see you in the next lesson.